Today we are going to make a white sauce lasagna, but we are not going to mess around with having to make a bechamel sauce. You guys, this sauce is so simple. So we are going to use 8 ounces of softened cream cheese as the base, which I've got in my bowl. And to that, I'm going to add 8 ounces of creme fraiche. I love creme fraiche. It's a cultured cream. It is similar to a sour cream, but it's a little richer, and the flavor works a little bit better in this lasagna. We're also going to add 2 garlic cloves. I'm just going to grate these right in. A nice garlicky white sauce is the best kind, in my opinion. And then a little bit of freshly grated nutmeg. I always add a little bit of nutmeg to my cream sauces. It just provides a little bit of warmth and a little bit of dimension. All right, so we are going to blend this together using hand beaters. And we want to make sure this gets really smooth. Now I've got a 1/2 cup of milk here. You can use a whole milk or a 2% milk. I wouldn't go for fat-free milk here. And we're just going to drizzle this in while beating. You kind of want to add it slowly just so you don't make a mess of yourself. And this is also going to help prevent any lumps from forming in the sauce. I just want to give the sides a scrape, and then I will continue blending until it is smooth. Here we go. At this point, I can also season the sauce well with salt and pepper. It's really important that you're generous with your salt in this point because this sauce is actually going to flavor the noodles. There we go. So easy. Our sauce is done. It is now time to assemble the lasagna.